Hello everyone, so I just want to share with you all another cooking series or another recipe. So this time we're going to make a Japanese pea sprout wrap. So binabalot siya ng pork slice. So you can have also bacon if you want. Pwede din siyang bacon yung irarap nyo. Para para tasty din siya. Pero you no need to add so much sauce or light soy sauce kapag bacon yung gagamitin nyo. So, ito ay ginamit ko ay pork slice. So, irarap ko muna to siya bottom part and the top part. So, ang pinagkaiba dito sa mushrooms is hindi nyo siya pwedeng i-overcook yung itong sprout. So, kailangan pag pan-fry nyo siya, pan-fry with the ginger, oil and ginger. So, put oil on the pan, put ginger, and then you pan-fry it. So, napakadali lang at napaka-easy itong recipe, guys. So, after nyo i-pan-fry ito, so like, you put ginger and oil and ginger, and then put all this Japanese pea sprout wrap, and then after that, after nyo siya i-pan fry, kasi parang ganito siya, guys, yung ganyan siya, and then you need to pan fry it. So like that, so parang ganito siya, ganyan siya, parang pareho din siya sa mushrooms. So put ginger on the pan and add oil, and then you put your Japanese pea sprout wrap. So, after nyan, ipi-flip nyo siya na maging golden brown. And then, after that, you prepare the sauce. So, ilalagay ko din dito yung sauce recipe. So, para hindi na kayo malito. At yan, at saka i-mix nyo siya. And then, you pour to your Japanese pea sprout wrap na in pan fry. So, pag kumulo siya, pakuluin nyo muna siya, and then you set aside. After you set aside, let the sauce will be thickened. So, that's it, guys. Tapos, i-pour nyo lang din siya sa inyong Japanese pea sprout na pan fry na. So, thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to like, comment, and share if nagustuhan nyo itong video. God bless you, and take care always. Please respect each other and be kind always. See you again for the next recipe video, guys.